Come test drive the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust, engine block heater. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.